Protests in Canton used to be rare events, and when they did happen, they were often about issues that were as relevant outside Canton as in the town. But this year, there have been many protests focused on the response of the Canton Police Department in the Norfolk County District Attorney's Office to the John O'Keefe murder in January 2022 and the death of Sandra Birchmore in February 2021. This past week, there were two more of these protests. On Saturday, February 3rd, more than a dozen supporters of the online group Justice for Sandra Birchmore lined up in front of the Canton Police Station for 2 hours, holding signs about the case and streaming live on YouTube about it.
In Canton. She was from Stoughton. She grew up in Stoughton, but she lived in Canton.
On Tuesday, February 6th, more than 70 members and supporters of the online group Justice for John O'Keefe and Karen Reed lined the road in front of the Shawmut Drive, Canton office of Norfolk County District Attorney Michael Morrissey.
I'm here because I believe that Karen Reed's factually innocent. I believe that Michael Morrissey's office, the Massachusetts State Police, Chief Rafferty, and the Canton Police all played a part in the cover-up. And it's coming out.
This is where we've been wanting to go for a very long time, and we finally did it. And we want them to know that we're upset. And we want them to hear our voices and see our signs and see our commitment and our passion about the Karen Reed case, Aiden's case, everything, the Canton 9, everyone that this is affected, we need them to know.
The reason why we're here today is it's the 3-year anniversary for her death. And I feel it's very important for us to stand up for Sandra because nobody's standing up for her. And I just want to get this young woman some justice. I personally think a special prosecutor should be put in place so that they can fully go through everything from head to toe to find out if, something was missed and we can get some justice for Sandra. If people want more information on Sandra's case, you can go to the Justice for Sandra Birchmore Facebook page. I put out a lot of information. There's a lot of public interaction. You can message me on there and I can give you, if you have questions or if you want to give me a tip, because I am investigating her case as much as I possibly can. I've gotten a lot of tips and I've talked to a lot of people to get background on Sandra and the case. So please head to the Justice for Sandra Birchmore Facebook page.
Hi, I am here today to help receive justice for Sandra Birchmore and her unborn child. She was groomed as a teenager in a young cadet program out of Stoughton by several police officers. The things that happened to her are unimaginable. The same people that were supposed to protect her abused her. I want to know why no one has been brought up on charges.
There have been large protests in Canton in the past years, but never so many focused on Canton specifically. Many protesters went to one event but told CCTV that they were there for more than one issue.
I'm here for justice for John O'Keefe and for Sandra Birchmore and her baby. We need to stand up and use our voices and demand accountability and better investigations.
I'm Laura. I came here to support Karen Reed, Justice for John, the Canton 9, Turtle Boy, and Justice for Chloe. You want to know where Chloe is?
What did you think of today?
Today was great. It was a great turnout. Just what I expected, and looking forward to supporting some more standouts.
The Canton Police Department did not respond to a request for comment about the Sandra Birchmore protest outside the police station. The Norfolk County District Attorney's Office was asked for comment about the Justice for John O'Keefe and Karen Reed protest. The DA's office spokesperson, David Traub, emailed CCTV, quote, "The Commonwealth looks forward to presenting all of the evidence in this murder prosecution when the matter is tried in Norfolk Superior Court," end quote. For CCTV, I'm Tim O'Connor.